Hi, I'm John Mitchell, IPC President and CEO. As the world responds to new developments emerging daily about COVID-19, we at IPC hope that you and your families are staying healthy and safe during this unprecedented global crisis. We're carefully monitoring the situation in order to provide you with relevant and timely information about how COVID-19 is affecting the electronics manufacturing industry. The safety of our members, exhibitors, visitors, and employees is our top priority. Therefore, we'll be postponing or canceling several upcoming scheduled IPC events. You can find updates to IPC event schedules on our website. If plans change for other upcoming events, we will notify exhibitors, attendees, and speakers immediately. I'm continually in touch with IPC members as we reach out to one another in supporting and connecting during this difficult time. Many IPC member company factories remain open as essential businesses, and they are modifying their business practices to keep their employees healthy and safe. It is encouraging to hear the stories of our global industry coming together to help one another during this global crisis by sharing their expertise and supplies. If your company has a surplus, or if you need supplies related to electronics manufacturing, please fill out the survey located on our website. We at IPC are beginning to recognize the significant impact this crisis will have on the economic aspects of our industry, and we are keeping economic recovery efforts top of mind. To that end, our Global Government Relations team offers the IPC Roadmap to Economic Recovery to rebuild the strength of the electronics industry as we move forward. You can find details on the roadmap on our website, along with information on federal loan assistance if your company needs it. I urge you to reach out to IPC for assistance in this difficult time. We need to keep communicating with one another because the better we understand our collective needs, the better we can respond and provide help. We are committed to serving our worldwide industry as we face this crisis together. Please stay safe and feel free to reach out to me with any questions or concerns. Thank you.